Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. All of us have accounts on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Nowadays, companies also need social media accounts to stay connected with their target market. In this video, I will demonstrate a method through which you can earn money for free with minimal effort. You might be thinking that you need a substantial number of followers or experience in managing company social media accounts, but neither of those is required. Simply follow the steps outlined in this video and you'll be able to earn money using this method. To begin with this money-making approach, open a web browser and visit eclincher.com to learn about the website. Eclincher is the top-ranked social media management platform that handles accounts on various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and more. With Eclincher, you can boost your social media return on investment ROI and expand your reach. They have a skilled team, advanced technology, and 24/7 dedicated support. The website continuously adds value and features to help you execute your strategy effectively. It's a fantastic service that has been featured in major publications such as the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, Fox News, and others. As you're aware, social media has become an integral part of our lives, with people of all ages using various platforms. I'm curious to know which social media platform you prefer the most. Leave a comment stating your favorite platform and why you like it better than others. Now, even though you have learned about Eclincher, you might assume that you need to work on the website. However, as mentioned earlier, this money-making method requires very little effort. So, keep watching the video to find out more. For the second step, scroll down to the bottom of the web page and click on the Partner/Affiliate section under Eclincher. This will take you to the Eclincher Affiliate Program, which offers an opportunity for growth. Here's how the affiliate program works. If you start promoting Eclincher and refer customers who are interested in using their account management services, you can earn up to $100 per client. If 5 people use your referral link, you earn $500. With 10 people, you earn $1,000, and so on. Once you understand the affiliate program, sign up and obtain your unique referral code by clicking the Apply Here button on the registration page. During the registration process, provide your email, first name, last name, website or blog if applicable, or your YouTube channel link if you don't have a website or blog. Even a Gmail account grants you access to a YouTube channel, regardless of whether it has any videos. Leave the company field blank if you don't own one. Enter your country, phone number, and social media accounts. Agree to the affiliate terms and conditions, but it's not recommended to check the box that sends notifications to your email. Complete the CAPTCHA and click the Sign Up button. You'll receive an acceptance email from Eclincher, and you can grab your special affiliate link to start promoting the website. For each person who signs up using your affiliate link, you can earn up to $100 without selling anything or providing a service. Simply share your link and collect your profit. It's that simple. Now let's move on to the next step, which involves driving traffic to your affiliate link. Before we continue, I'd like to let you know that we post more videos on how to make money online on this channel. Our goal is to help you learn how to generate online income into your PayPal account. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like our videos, and leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. In this step, I will explain a specific method to drive traffic to your link, which I consider the most effective. However, you're free to share the link in any way you prefer. For instance, you can create a post on Facebook, tweet about Eclincher, or even make a YouTube video discussing how this website can enhance your online presence. To demonstrate this step, I'll show you how to attract people to use your link by utilizing freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and others. Freelancing websites allow you to hire professionals with diverse skills, including graphic designers, video editors, programmers, and financial consultants. If you possess any unique skills, freelancing is an excellent way to make money. However, this money-making method doesn't require any specialized skills. To use freelancing websites for this method, we won't be providing services. Instead, we'll leverage your referral link. Freelancers on these platforms are often seeking services themselves. For example, on Upwork, if you search for social media manager, you'll find numerous results with different traits. While these individuals charge substantial amounts per hour, they may not be aware of online services that can automate their work. You can connect with them and inform them about a platform that can handle their work automatically, freeing up their time for other tasks. However, it's crucial to be cautious and avoid spamming them with your affiliate link directly on the freelancing websites, as that may lead to a ban. Instead, take the conversation off the platform and inform them about your link through another communication channel. Once they show interest, provide your affiliate link, allowing them to register using it, and you'll earn your money. Remember, this isn't the only method for people to use your link. You're free to employ any strategy you prefer. To earn money using this method, sign up for the eClincher affiliate program, grab your affiliate link, and drive traffic to it. Any method that brings more people to use your link will increase your earnings. So go ahead, get more people to use your link, and watch the money flow into your PayPal account. That concludes the video. Before we wrap up, please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like our videos, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Peace.